We at the dealership, y'all, looking at cars. Your girl may or may not be getting a new car today, but we shall see.
Oh. I've been with triplet, I've been with twins, I've been with solo, where do I begin? It's only you are the star, so still. Even though I found your 3 years out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more. Never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a billion times, whoa.
Yeah. So the first load is on the way over to the house, y'all. I got my car loaded up, including the trunk, and I'm on the way to go in, get my keys. So excited. Baby is in front, as you guys can see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shar if this is your first time here. And as you guys can tell from the title, this is my first time uploading a video for a while. If you guys notice, my background is different. So yes, that is one of the updates. You guys, we moved into a bigger home. Of course, I did film an empty house tour, so that will be included in today's video. Yes, son, yes. Come on, baby, come on. So spoiled. And speaking of this little boy, you guys, so today is Tuesday, October the 15th. It is now 9:13 a.m. and today is my baby's birthday, you guys. Onyx turns 1 year old today. Say yay, happy birthday to my poo-poo. Say I won. Yeah, no kids. But yes, Onyx turns 1 today, you guys. So I just placed the Instacart order. I actually cook Onyx food. Onyx does not eat dog food anymore. The man is so spoiled, you guys. So that was me placing the order so I can make him up his batch of fresh food for this week. And also, let me just do a little haul and show y'all what I got from the store. So get down, son, so we can show your aunts and uncles what you got. Chicken tenders, lentils, another good source of protein. So I also put this in there. It has to be 100% pumpkin. Frozen green peas and carrots. Frozen green beans. And I cook up everything with coconut oil. And I also got my baby some pup cups. This is the peanut butter flavor. And then I wanted to get him a #1 candle, but they didn't have it. So I just had to get a pack of these candles. So we just stick one up in there. But right now, let me go ahead and make this man some breakfast right now because he is losing his shit. So for his breakfast, I'm just going to scramble him up an egg. I give him some blueberries. And also, this is the last of his cooked chicken that he has left. So I'm going to warm that up. And yeah, let's go ahead and make Onyx breakfast. So now that I have gotten your nephew squared away, I can now get my butt back to my job, because y'all know I am logged in for work. Like I said, today is Tuesday, and you guys know I do work remotely from home. So yeah, I am on the clock right now. So yeah, I just wanted to come in, like I said, start the video, give you guys a little mini update of what was going on today. Look at him, Sir done ate now, so now he's just on one. Boy, move with these blueberries. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and log in for work. I do have some Amazon packages that I want to open with you guys. So I ordered some things for Onyx for his birthday that I need to pack up his little birthday bag, his gifts, and put up his little banner and everything so we can take his pictures. While you guys are waiting for me to do that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the empty house tour.
Don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Can't do Percocets on my leg. Turning one, trying to live it up right, baby. Who cares? Right here, who cares? Bring it over to my place. You'll be like, baby, who cares? I know you care. Bring it over to my place. Doing, hope that you find what I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like you're the seagull, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron and it's gonna be on. VIP and got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night.
Alright, Golden Goose and go Onyx, it's your birthday. Hey, hey, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. So I got everything right here to prepare Onyx's food. I don't have any of his chicken seasoning left. I need to order some more from Amazon. So we're just going to use some rosemary and a little basil to season up his chicken. You can look that up. That's also good and safe for your pet.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Made no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip.
He says he right here acting absolutely crazy. Like, he's starving. I'm just about to give him a little bit of this rice that he had from this week that he got left before I dump this out. So I'm about to make him a fresh batch of rice. I'm about to get him this though, and girl, and a piece of this chicken for his day on lunch. And I'm about to mix in a little bit of this dog food because he about to get on my nerves. And I don't have to cuss him out on his birthday. Move, boy. Cause you acting like you just ain't never ate before, and that's ridiculous. Oh shit. I'm gonna steam up his rice. Yeah. He gonna bite me. Alright, took him out his pieces to cool. Or, son, I promise you still gotta wait for this to cool, so you still can't have it right now. It's too hot, baby. Onyx is too hot, baby. Look at all that thing. It's too hot, son. Get off me, get off me. Back up from the stove, it's hot. Oh, let's get out. You is not about to get burnt, especially not on your birthday. Come on now. Stop acting like you never ate before. You ate before. I know. You upset about it? Don't give me attitude. You think you, oh, you are grown today because you 7. Technically you 1, but you 7 and dog years. That's so sad. Honey. You gotta relax, son. This food is hot, okay? It's hot. It's really hot. But y'all, he go his lunch. Chop up some strawberries and put in there since he already had blueberries this morning for breakfast. Okay. Yes, let's chop him up a little strawberry. Purr. You are stressed. And you would think that you don't eat. That shit shows how greedy you are. Because if people saw what you had for breakfast. You acting real big back. Real big back. So boom, this is for me dumping in his bowl. Where your dog food bowl at, kid? You ain't bring me your bowl. You keep crying. He has chicken, rice, and strawberries. And come on, let's feed this boy because look, he is acting like he is starving. Like, my goodness, son. Here, little boy. Go ahead. And this is the chicken that he has left from his pack. So I'm just about to pop this up in the freezer. Just take it and put it in a little baggie. Pop it in the freezer, girl. I'll take this out in the next like 3 days, and it's time for him to get more. So here is everything all done. What I don't use for him, I will go ahead and freeze that up for his next round of food. Oh, and I also did forget to mention that I do mix some of his dog food and his food as well. He don't eat kibble, but I do give him the soft food, and this is the Hill's Science Diet brand. This one is just the chicken, rice, and stew. So it's pretty much the same thing that I'm giving him fresh, and this is one of the brands of the dog food that I do trust. This is Onyx is, what do they call it, fresh pet food made directly at home. This will be enough to feed him for the rest of the week, and I will always have more left that I can go ahead and freeze. Alright guys, so we're back. It is later on in the day. You see this little mangy mutt has just been in the mix all day. He been showing off because it's his birthday. Excuse the appearance, y'all. See, I just snatched the wig off. The girl is going through menopause, y'all. I be having hot flashes, so that thing has to come off. So this is one of his little things right here for his birthday. I'm gonna put that to the side. And what is this? Can't tell. Okay, so this is for the kitchen. These are the containers that I got for the dish soap and a hand soap. So we'll open those up together once I'm putting it up away in the kitchen. Next box. Ooh, good, I've been waiting on this. So this is an acrylic food riser bowl that I got for Onyx, because y'all know we moved. I left his other one because it don't match the vibes that we going for no more. Oh, and this is another little gift that I got him. It's like a little cupcake, a little squeaky cupcake. I'll show y'all what his new food bowl thingy look like. Oh, it's like this, y'all. Look so cute. It's acrylic. Match the vibe. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. So this is his set, you guys. You see it says birthday boy. So it comes with like the bandana, the banner to put up. And what is this? Oh, this is my cutting board for the kitchen. What is this? All right, guys, so we have all of Onyx birthday stuff right here open. So I'm about to open this up and probably like this little birthday bandana and stuff on him first. Stop it. Okay, so it comes like with a little hat. It looks like this. He is not gonna keep this on. And this is the bandana. It says birthday boy. And then it has like a little bow tie. It also has some numbers here that I can put on his hat. So of course he's turning 1. So I'll put on there the number 1. And then this is the actual birthday banner. Oh my god, I have to string this. I'm not in the mood to be stringing no banner, so I don't know. He may not get this put up tonight. We may save this for Saturday and do this on Saturday, because I'm supposed to be giving him like a little party on Saturday, but we don't know. But I am gonna put this on him today so I can take his picture before I give him his pup cup, his little hat and stuff. So I also got him a Pat Grooming hair dryer. This looks like this. So when I give him his baths and everything, I can just use this to brush him and dry him at the same time so he don't get all matted and like knotted up. He also got some dog toys. He got 3 dog toys. So the first one is this little, I think it's like a hot dog. Yep, so it's like a big hot dog. Yeah, he notices his stuff. Look at this. Oh, it's big.
Blow up.
Look, it's big. So this is a little hot dog and toy. Look, son. This is you on the mix. The second thing he got is this little crinkly duck. He ain't gonna do nothing but tear this right on up. Because my baby is an aggressive chewer. But that's what this look like. Can't eat these. It's like a little crinkly duck. Had to make a little noise. Like that. Do it have a squeaker? Oh, that one has a squeaker. Cute. And then for his, look, he's taking it over. Look at him.
What?
It ain't even get open. Can you take that paper off of him, please? And the last thing he got is this so cute, y'all. It says pup cake. You see? And it's a little cupcake. I thought it was so cute and fitting for his first birthday. Look, Ani. Happy birthday. And then, so my baby got a new jacket. He has a blue North Face coat. And then he has a new Christian Dior sweater. Ain't that so cute? Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Ooh. Stay. Sit. This big ass bandana. This tray is huge. This for a big dog. Hold on. Let's see. Ooh, son, you look so handsome. Look at you looking handsome like you're looking, boy. Ooh. You look so handsome, King. The best looking pooch. Yes, she is. Let's see. But I'm knocking off your head. Okay, King. Sit. See, let mommy take a picture. Say oh, shit on me. Okay. Say cheese. Oh, let me move out of the trash, Baba.
You know glasses?
I'm about to move on. Annie, let's not fix your head. Okay. Say cheese, Papa. Onyx. Hi. Hey, man. Okay, I'm getting with the flash on. That was cute, though. Ooh, I'm sweating buttons. Got your mama sweating buttons, Onyx. Okay, I'm on. Say cheese.
Hey, what up, man?
Hi. Say cheese. Onyx. Onyx. Look. Look, Papa. Onyx. Cheese. Onyx. Cheese. Yay. I'm about to let him try one of his pup cups. Let's see. Look at him. So they come like this, like a little ice cream cup. And yeah, let's open it up. What it look like? And let's let him try. Let me see what he think. Look, Onyx. Come here. Oh, he approve. You like it? Yeah. You eat it right here. You liking your new toy? You like it? Just got my baby Tina, y'all. She look good. Came right here to True Shine. They got me in and out. And y'all, they washing one of these little cars right here right now. It's so ugly. I'm sorry. But yeah, my baby is sitting, y'all. So now I can fully do my car tour.
Later.
None of this matters.
drink your water, y'all. First lemon drop done. Waiting on number 2.
Going all right over here?
Yeah. Number 2. Cheers. Oh. Y'all know a lemon drop will get you right every time. I think I'm starting to feel a little tipsy, y'all.
All right.
Thank you. Now I asked for this sauce on the side, not on my steak. Let me show you what the food look like though. It look good, but I don't want this shit on my steak. I asked for A1. Let me show you what it look like. Don't that look good? But I ain't want this shit on my steak. I asked for A1. Hi, how you? I'm not fine, so I got this shit on my steak. Yeah, let me take a picture of it over real quick for us to be. Because man, I made this toe job. I didn't. Oh God, and it's nasty. Oh hell no. I'm not eating it. I don't like it. I know I'm gonna like it. Damn man. Now I gotta wait for my food all over again because that sauce is fucking nasty.
Sauce is on it.
You see? And I just said, I tasted it, I don't like it.
I feel like, what would you like?
Oh God, y'all. Perimenopause kicking in, getting a hot flash. Is it a hot flash or the drink? Cause girl, I'm busting out in a sweat. Jesus. Help. Ooh. This right here, yes. Oh. Jesus. Damn. Thank you.
Don't you want to see it first?
What? My check?
Yeah.
I gotta pay for it anyway, right? I gotta pay this shit anyway. So shit, I see it once he swipe it. Number 3, y'all. Number 3.
Thank you so much for coming in and your patience, honestly. It's like my second week here, so.
Oh, no problem. Well, good luck. Good you got somebody like me, see?
You enjoy the rest of your night.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. Thank you, too. You're welcome. I mean, I'm so hurt. God. I'm so full, Jesus. Whew. Okay. Dinner was so good, y'all, but this menopause is killing me. I am so hot, and guess what? I can't even roll down my windows, y'all. I got my windows tinted today, so I gotta keep my windows up, y'all, for freaking 3 days. Lord help me. Put this air on, though, and then I gotta have the air pointing down at the floor. Child, the ghetto. Oh, because you want the tents. But I feel like I was driving in a fishbowl. All right, y'all, let me get home because your girl is tipsy. Look at you. Oh my God, the little hand gestures do everything in this car. I can't do nothing without, look at that. See that? Turn it right. Getting my baby clean, y'all. She was dirty. She was a dirty girl.